This is TripCreator, the modern way to build, present, and distribute itineraries. In this presentation, you'll see how easily you can create a rich, visual itineraries and share them with your customers. TripCreator allows you to build interactive, web-based itineraries that can be distributed instantly as links. If needed, you can also export them as PDF, PowerPoint, or Word presentations, and the pricing details can be exported into Excel. By deciding to show the itinerary reference number, your customers can download the TripCreator End Customer mobile app on iOS or Android to access their itineraries offline, including their vouchers, booking confirmations, and other attachments that you've made available to them, even without an internet connection. Itinerary appearance templates control the what details are showing to your customers, as well as what logo, colors, and terms and conditions are shown. You can create as many templates as you need for the different branding purposes, segments, or customers. For example, use a simplified proposal template during the sales stage. Then switch to a more detailed template once the trip is confirmed. Templates can also be tailored to different segments, such as individual travelers, incentives, or groups. The itinerary is split into tabs that you can be renamed based on what you are presenting to the traveler. The Overview tab highlights key inclusions for quick reference. TripCreator also supports dateless itineraries, perfect when the travel dates haven't been finalized. Above the content on the different tabs, such as on the Itinerary tab above the first day, you can add highlighted items to put emphasis on important information, such as by adding a destination introduction. The Itinerary tab contains the detailed day-by-day plan. Items automatically format themselves based on their category. Flights display as you would expect for typical flight details, including information like airports, duration, carrier, and flight number. Points of interest can include descriptions, videos, and image galleries. Hotels display check-in and check-out times, room types, amenities, and more. TripCreator gives you access to a huge library of content, with over 1.5 million destinations, 170,000 attractions, and 600,000 hotels. And TripCreator is integrated with Google Places, Pixabay, and FlightStats. You can edit any item and save it to your My Products library for future reuse. You can show supplier information and attach vouchers directly to itinerary items. Vouchers can be uploaded from third-party systems or generated using the TripCreator operation module. The Map tab shows the automatically generated map that showcases the desired items of your itinerary, helping travelers see their complete journey. You can hide items from the map if needed, and see and navigate each day. Hotels can be displayed on their own tab, and pricing can be shown or hidden depending how you want it for the itinerary in question. Show the total trip price, the total price with inclusions, the category totals, or a detailed pricing breakdown. Optional experiences can be presented separately. Their cost is subtracted from the total price until the traveler chooses to include them. You'll also find a customizable tab named Special Interests. You can rename this tab to match your itinerary theme, like showcasing golf courses for a golf-focused itinerary, and curate relevant content for added inspiration. Finally, the About Us tab lets you display information about your company and sales representative, along with segment-specific terms and conditions. That's how easy it is to create and present stunning, professional itineraries using TripCreator. With flexible templates, offline access, integrated content, and powerful presentation tools, it brings your itineraries to life and contributes to your increased conversion and increased efficiency.